Have you ever noticed when one market does something, the other market does maybe just the opposite? They call that a relationship or a comparative. Ever notice sometimes when the VIX does something, the indices do something else? Let me show you something. This chart, you're looking at the NQ, but behind the NQ is the VIX. See, we loaded in a second data stream. Sometimes we load in 3, 4, 5, several data streams. We're running a program not on the NQ. We're running an algorithm on the VIX. And this program actually has a clock. It starts at 9:30 and it ends at, well, let me show you. It starts at 9:30. It ends at 15:30, which is 3:30 for the millennials. And then it gets flat. If it's still long or short a position, it gets flat at 15:50, which is 10 minutes of 4. It has just two inputs, a short iron and a long iron. Does not use moving averages. I always have to say that because everyone thinks that everything is a moving average. It isn't. And let me close this. And this is set over a year. No profit targets, no percent trailers. And let me show you the equity curve. It's kind of what it looks like. Didn't do much during periods of low volatility, which was earlier this year. Now in times of high volatility, we're moving out. The performance summary in the last year, 31,140, 14 long, 17 short, profit factor of 1.28. What does that mean? It means you're making $1.28 for every dollar that you lose. Not our best, but considering we haven't juiced this up with profit targets and chandelier stops and all of the things that we could. And today, let me just show you, we'll go to the trade list and get the last trade. The last trade, which was the first trade for today, was $455. Trade before that was $415, $415. You can see them. It doesn't win every single time, and it's currently in a winning trade now. The reality of it is it went short right here this morning, had a high, and when it was down here, the trade had a high watermark of almost 1700. Now it's gone along here, ran up to about 500 or 600, and it's pulling back. When we run algos, it's entirely fine if you want to go in and grab your profits and then just let the machine recycle and get you into a good trade, because you see the entries do matter. But rather than just doing it blindly, the traders that are with us, they're actually trading off of our intraday swing machine. So they have algorithms like this running, and then they also have the enhanced power of the swing machine intraday to help them get in or out. Now, can you do something like that? Absolutely you can. You sure can. Maybe through some years, you gotta garbage in, garbage out. You need to have some trading skill and need to have some programming skill. If you're a full member here at Stock Market Caddy, meaning you're a monthly member and you're a level 2 member where you're getting live access to our swing machine during the course of the day, all of our indicators, all of our strategies are available to you at no additional cost. So at $500 a month, that's it, $500 a month, if you're an active trader, you get all of our signals. You get a video at night, anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to an hour. You get all of our signals. You get access to all of our strategies, all of our indicators, provided you're on TradeStation so that you can take full use of them, and it doesn't cost you anything more. You get to talk to us as a resource. You get to play out your own ideas. If you say, hey, Bagger, I think this, when the dollar does this, this, and this, gold will do this, this, and this on this time frame. Bagger, can you program that and back test it and forward test it and show me what it might look like before I run real money on it? We're going to do that for you. See, we're a resource. Something very, very different. I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. If CNBC is getting it done for you, the rodeo clown, going to StockTwits, somebody tweeting out this and tweeting out that, then all the power to you. If you're not getting it done, why not check us out? A monthly membership starts at just $99 a month, and then the level 2 is $400. No more than that. And if we have price increases, you are forever grandfathered in, and we do have price increases. But anyone who joins at whatever rate they join at, they're forever grandfathered in. That's the promise we make. But again, we're different from anything and everything else. We are hopefully a resource for you. Good luck. And by the way, if you'd like to give me a call, happy to chat with you. I'll even give you my cell number. It's 813-758-8263. 813-758-8263. By the way, what did we tell our members last night? Expect the bounce. Good luck.